Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellow humans. Today we are exploring ASH-SHAKOOR. ASH-SHAKOOR is the one who repays a good deed with a much greater reward. Thankfulness is to return good with good. To be thankful as a human being's duty towards Allah. He is the one who created us and poured upon us all His bounties. He has left us free to see His gifts and to be grateful or to be blinded by arrogance, denying even His existence. Blessed are they who choose the path of being grateful, who choose the path of thankfulness, spending what Allah bestows upon them in Allah's way. Then Allah ASH-SHAKOOR returns their thankfulness with reward infinitely superior to their good deeds, and this in turn paves the way to further good deeds. The thankful know that all they are and all they have is from Allah. They use every part of their bodies, their minds, their tongues, their hands, only for the purposes for which they were created. They use all that have their talents, their strengths, their money for Allah's pleasure, on Allah's creation. Allah helps the thankful and increases their wisdom, their abilities, and their fortunes. People who deny the bounties of Allah and hide them in secret rooms, all for themselves, are misers. They pretend that they have nothing, therefore, although they have a lot, it is just as if they don't have anything. They want more and more, never finding enough. They suffer destitution in the midst of abundance. Allah leaves them alone with their egos, their insatiable greed. All bounties that they have received decay, stored in some secret place, unused. They pass from one loss to another, from one disaster to worse one. If they do not take heed of these lessons, their unthankfulness will lead them to eternal damnation. We take refuge in Allah from such an eventuality. So who is Abdul Shakur? Abdul Shakur sees all as good as and as nothing but good, and knows that all good comes from Allah. Such a person is in a state of continuous thankfulness. He is grateful. Yet he also realizes that Allah's bounties are distributed through the hands of His good servants and is thankful to them as well. The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, he who is not thankful to people will not be able to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So those who do good to you, those who bring benefit to you, be thankful to those human beings also. And being that thankful, you will learn how to be among those who are thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.